In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a new Monzo card 2025 easy and fast replacement. Let's walk through the whole process so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid delays. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version and make sure you're connected to the internet so everything loads smoothly. Once you're in, head to the section where your card controls live. You'll usually see your card image on your home screen. Tap into it to open the card area. This is where Monzo keeps all the tools for managing your physical card, including freezing, settings, and of course ordering a replacement. Look for the option that says replace card or new card. The wording can vary slightly, but it leads to the same flow. Tap that, and the app will ask why you need a new one. Pick the reason that best matches your situation, whether it's lost, stolen, damaged, or about to expire. Choosing the correct reason helps Monzo handle things properly. For example, if you report it lost or stolen, the old card will be disabled to keep your account secure. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your delivery address. Take a moment to double check everything, including flat or unit numbers and postcodes. If you've moved recently, update your address in the app before proceeding so the card goes to the right place. Depending on your plan and the reason you're replacing the card, you might see a small replacement fee. The app will clearly show the amount, if any, before you continue. If a fee applies, confirm the payment using your Monzo balance or the method shown on screen. Before you finish, the app will give you a quick summary. Review the details and then submit your request. Wait for the confirmation message. This is your sign that everything has been successfully submitted and your new card is on the way. Now, all that's left is to wait for delivery. You'll typically see an estimated arrival window, and you may get updates via notifications. Keep an eye on your mailbox and avoid discarding any unmarked envelopes as some banks use discreet packaging. When your card arrives, open the Monzo app and follow the on-screen prompt to activate it. You may be asked to confirm details like the last digits on the card. After activation, your old card, if applicable, stays blocked, and the new one becomes ready to use. For contactless, do one chip and PIN purchase first to fully enable tap payments. That's it. You're all set.